Hey guys, this is Josh, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the best video quality when you're watching your movies, series, or TV shows in Amazon Prime. So, first thing that you wanna do is you wanna log in your Amazon Prime account, and then once you're in, say for example, you already selected a movie, and then once you have selected a movie, just like this, you see this gear icon up above. You just simply need to click on that, and you're gonna see the video quality. Now you have good, better, and best, and I think most of us want the best. So you just simply need to click on the best. However, I want you to know this: Amazon Prime video quality is the same with other um, movie or TV show provider that depends on the speed of your internet connection. So if your internet connection is quite slow or it's not that fast, it cannot give you the best. Maybe it would fare around the better one or the good level. So that's how easy it is to get the best Prime Amazon Prime video quality in 2025. This is Josh. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and also the notification bell so that you are updated with our daily uploads. I'm going to see you on the next one.